We are dBaker Designs. And we make giants.
Woohoo! I'm
This is
Deanna Baker.
The pretty one.
So pretty.
And I'm Darren, the ugly one. She's been stained.
Yep.
Yeah, we're almost there. We just got little goofy things here and there to do. We're going forth with the reveal party. Gonna have some fun. When we come back, meet the giant, meet the neighbors, meet the family who is crazy enough to want this in their backyard.
His journey has taken 20 years. After he traveled from distances far and wide, he needed a spot to pause and reflect on his next adventure. Hi, I'm Jody Cook, Ask the Garden Gal, along with my new giant on Little Crooked Lake. Our giant's name is Macfish Wary Festeria. Wary Festesia. We're still working on the last name. So I was given the opportunity.
Party's actually down there.
Down there, okay.
It was thrown out by Darren Baker of dBaker Designs. If anyone was interested in a wooden giant.
So it started with obviously an idea. So Thomas Dambo is an artist that makes these. I don't know if he does it for a living or not, but he makes these, and we saw it online. I went to send a picture to Deanna, and a lot of other people saw it, including Jody Cook.
Hey, you want to build
Like,
one?
hey, let's make one of these.
Cool.
So I said, come on over and check out my spot. I said, he's got to stay at this height, but I'd like him lounging. This is the space I have. If it works for you, I'm in.
So we came out, we took a look at the backyard and said it'd be cool if he's sitting here looking out over the lake. Came up with a whole bunch of different ideas and drawings, and then finally came up with the pose first. Actually, we started doing the build before we even had the look of the face and whatnot.
Because we knew it would come.
We put down footings, then started building a frame on top of that. It looked like a really bad fort before we put all the skin and stuff on. And Frank was
People
going,
kept coming by
I don't get it.
slowly, and like they were wondering what it was.
yeah, they weren't sure if it was going to be a weird kind of gazebo thing or
Boathouse,
a boathouse or a shed which it is a shed. It does open in the back, so you
So
can
the
go
day
back
we
there.
put on the head, though, people were like, ah.
Oh, okay.
It's windy like a mother. There with the dog. See ya.
The beard, the mustache. Be different.
Easy pickings. Hi.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
And we sound
So
alike.
cool.
You like it?
Yes.
We did that one time. We walked
It's
out.
lit.
In the window right here.
I love it. I love the belly button. I haven't seen the I didn't know they were gonna put on a belly button.
The materials are all upcycled or recycled as far as the legs, the skin part of it is. And
Pallet
then
wood.
partial, some upcycled shingles for his vest, but mostly new on the vest and everything. And then the willow is dug out of a burn pile.
It's really cool. It's very impressive. I can't even believe the realism it has. It's really cool.
It looks like Darren.
You will see a good resemblance in in Mac to Darren.
No, no. For the record, and they picked no hair, and they picked the beard and the mustache for the record, because I get the comments that it looks like me.
Yeah.
You have green eyes? No, I don't. I don't.
But his eyes, even from when I saw him the other day to today, I mean, he's just amazing. I mean, everything has got so much detail, I can hardly believe it.
Whatever I could have imagined doesn't quite match what it's like in person.
Because
And that's
it's not
the
every day that
question we
somebody
always
does
got
that.
was why a giant? And what
That
we
was the
say
number
to
one
them,
question. Why
why
not?
not?